A very happy morning to my cute little children. So kids, here we are with subject Maths, chapter Numbers. Our topic is place value and face value. So kids, let's start. So kids, today we will be studying place value and face value. We will be studying it by taking an example. First example, 8345. Okay. Now, as you can see, 5 is present at 1's place, 4 is present at 10's place, 3 is present at 100's place, 8 is present at 1000's place. Okay, this is my 1's place. So, what will be the place value of 5? 5 is present at 1's place. So, 5 into 1, 5. 4 is present at 10's place, as you can see. So, what will be the place value of 4? 4 into 10's, because 4 is at 10's place. So, 4 into 10, 40. 3 is present at 100's place. 3 is present at 100's place. So, what will be the place value of 3? 3 into 100, that is 300. Then comes 8. 8 is present at 1000's place. So, the place value of 8 will be, 8 into 1000, that is 8000. Okay. Okay, this we studied the place value. Now kids, here we are having face value. See, face value of 5 is 5, face value of 4 is 4, face value of 3 is 3, face value of 8 is 8. Okay, face value utni ki utni hi rahi. It didn't changed. Okay, but the place value, how do we find the place value? We multiply the number by its place, ones, tens, hundreds और thousands. So, हमने इससे क्या सीखा इस एग्जाम्पल से? Each digit of a number has a place value and a face value. Each digit of a number, ये पूरा नंबर है 8345. This is a number. 8, 3, 4, 5 are digit, and each digit is having a face value as well as place value. The place value of a digit depends on its place in the number. जो place value है, it depends upon the place value, whether it is at 1's place, 10's place, 100's place or 1000's place. But the face value remains the same. It is read from right to left. हम right से left गिनते हैं. Place value 1s, 10s, 100s, 1000s. The face value of a digit is the value of the digit regardless of its position in the number. The face value of a digit is the value of the digit regardless of its position. 5 remains 5, 4 remains 4, 3 remains 3, 8 remains 8. Regardless of its position, it remains the same. Let us understand by taking some examples. Okay, we understood this. Now, let's move ahead. Expanded and short form of a number. Expanded and short form of a number. ये हम एक्सरसाइज 1 में कर चुके हैं. The expanded form of a number helps us to understand the value of each digit in the given number. The expanded form can be written in words as well as in numbers. उनको हम words में भी लिख सकते हैं और हम उनको numbers में भी लिख सकते हैं. Let us take few examples to understand them. It is very simple. You will be able to do it very fast. See, this is a number 3, 4, 6, 7. Okay, 3467. 3 is present at thousands place. 4 is present at hundreds place. 6 is present at tens place. 7 is present at ones place. So 3 is present at thousands place. Okay, so how we will write the expanded form? 3000. So 3 thousands plus 4 hundreds. 4 hundreds plus 6 tens. 6 tens plus 7 ones. So 7 ones. This is the expanded form in words. ये expanded form है in words. अब अगर हमें expanded form in numbers लिखना हो तो what we will do? We will write the value of each digit in the given number. 3 is present at thousands place. So what will be the place value of 3? 3 into 1000, that is 3000. Plus 4 is present at hundreds place. So 4 into 100, that is 400. Plus 6 is present at tens place. So 6 into 10, that is 60. Plus 60 plus 7 is present at ones place. So 7 into 1, 7. So here we get the expanded form in number, expanded form in words. Do you observe the sum of the place values of the digits of a number is its expanded form? ये सब क्या है? ये इन सब की प्लेस वैल्यू है और हमने इन सब को ऐड कर दिया है, वो होता है expanded form. And this is our short form, or we can say it is a reduced form. So kids, this was it.
Now worksheet time. Question A, write the numbers in expanded form. This we have done in our exercise 1. Question B, write the numbers in reduced form. This also we have done. Very easy questions. Only 2 questions for reduced form and expanded form. Now comes the question C. Write the place value and face value of each digit. So kids, study well. May God bless you.